Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Python on the Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how you can easily run a Hello World simple Python program within your Windows operating system. So watch the video till end, and yes, if you pass any issues in middle you can comment below. In order to install the latest version of Python, simply open your favorite browser and type over here Python download. Open this website. You will be seeing this Python download link. And yes, if you are looking for any specific release, scroll down and here you will see different versions of Python. Now to download the latest version of Python for Windows, click on this link, download Python 3.12.2. Once it is downloaded to your computer, go to download dictionary and double click on downloaded file to install it to your PC. Here check on add python.exe to path. Now click customize installation. Also check this option for all users. Now click next. Also check this option install Python 3.12 for all users and click install. And here you can see that our setup is currently progressing. So this installing will take a couple of minutes. And now you can clearly see that our setup was successful. Now go to Windows search box and search command prompt. Open it. And type Python space and click enter. And here you can see that our latest version of Python successfully installed. Now close this window. Now search Python in search box. Open it. Now type. So you can see that output is coming. This was all about how to install the latest version of Python on your Windows 11. Thanks for your time.